conditional statement, the truth values for P implies Q is shown in the table below. We have P and we have Q. So we have truth, we have truth, we have fault, we have fault. Then here we have truth, we have fault, we have truth, we have fault. So for P implies Q, P implies Q, let's observe critically to find the result. This statement is called an implication statement. Implication statement, or we call it conditional statement. So it means that if the statement P, then it implies statement Q. That is, whatever result that we have here, then it will imply this result that we have here. If there are two statements, remember, then we have true and false. So these two statements, it means it's going to be true, true, then false, false for the first statement. That's why we have true, true, and then false, false. Then second, we are going to split the 2 or divide 2 into 2. We say 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So it means we have true, false, true, false. Let me take it again. If we have two statements, that is P and Q, it means we will divide 2 by 1. So if you divide 2 by 1, we're going to have 2. It means we have true, true, and false, false. Then secondly, for the second statement, we're going to divide 2 by 2. If we divide 2 by 2, we're going to have 1. That means we're going to have true, false, true, false. Then for the implication statement now, of which we have P implies Q. P implies Q. So if we have true, true, if true, true, then we are going to have true. If true, false. If from true, then it implies false, then we are going to have false. It is true that it is false. It is true that it is true. If we have true, true, then we have true. We have true, false, then we have false. Because it is false that it implies false. If we start with true and it goes to false, then it is false that it implies false. Because we started with true. If it is false that implies true, then it is true. Yes. If it is false to imply false, then we have true. Because it is true that false implies false. Then we have true.